Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for this video, I will tell you a little bit code about KTP-OCR, and then uh, the code and the meaning of that things too. So, what is KTP-OCR? It's an open source. Was the open source Python package that attempts to create a production that great KTP extractor, and then the aim of the package is to extract as much information as possible yet retain the integrity of the information. Is simple ones. When you just upload the photo, then the 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 system will find all extract the text feature from that image. So it will find the text and then extract it. Yep, this like that. Okay, and then this, yeah, just like that. We can go to the code first. So before we start it, we need to install several things. If you use Google Colab, you will need to install all of this. Just run it. But if you use Anaconda, before you run it, you have to fill the requirement first. So you can see it. You have to fill up this requirement before run it in Anaconda, just like Jupyter Notebook, Spider, or their things, or maybe or Visual Code, where to fulfill this requirement. Okay, it's like that, and it's done after you install these things. So when you use Google Colab, the feature of several things in here is updated. It will use the last version of its own library. But when we use the Google Colab, we have to install tesseract first. Okay, to that we have to import some libraries like gv2, numpy-s, import pytesseract, import matplotlib.pyplot.splt, from pill, import image. Yep, yes, just of that. We import gv2 so that we can configure the image. Maybe change the color, change the dimension, and something else, and the other things. Okay, and then import numpy-s. So when we uploaded the photo to our computer with the image or the photo with several number in array. Usually it was between 0 to 255, and if divided by 3 layers, if you I think you guys already heard about it. It was RGB, red, green, blue, was divided by the 3 layer. So that 3 layer will make the color for the image. And then we import pytesseract. So the main character of this code is this library pytesseract. Pytesseract is tesseract is an optical character recognition tool that from Python. This will recognize and read the text that embedded from the image. Yeah, it's just like they extract the text that embedded from the image. Okay, and then import matplotlib SPLT is just like to, I think this from this to this code, this part of library just to show the image. Okay, so we can go to the code. Oh yeah, I already mount my drive, so I will use the file that I want to use already in my drive, so I mount my own drive first. It's up to you. You want to put your file where. Then uh, okay, first of all we need to read the image first, so we can use image. We can divide here, so you can guess. Now it's likely what we do. Okay, first of all we need to image gp2.imread, so we read the image with gp2. So if you want to see the image, just use this directly.imshow image. So the picture will be like this. If you uploaded the photo that was from if you upload the photo with gp2, the color will would be like this. I mean, it will be not RGB like you guys know. It will be VGR. The layer would be like blue, green, red, not red, green, blue. So the color would be like this. If you want to change it, yep, you can use the same code like from here, like this. Real image. Choose the color dot image, but it's not the gray. Is red, green, blue, RGB. Yep, you can see it. 20.plt show real image. This is just like the KTP looks like, isn't it? Okay, like this, and then but for this code we need to change the gray color. It will be like show gray. It will be like this. And if you want to look at like the real gray that we know that divided by the colors red, white and black, this you see map gray. Yeah, this is two gray things that we usually like looks like. Okay, and then after that we use threshold, gp2.threshold, grade 1 to 7, the image, and then the threshold 8, and then gp2.threshold.truncate. There is a lot of code that we can use. You can see here. Computer vision. OpenGV. OpenGV. Whole thing. Okay, you can see here. There's a lot of things. So there are trust binary inverted, trunket to 0 to 0 inverted. So you can see the result from the original one. Yep. So we can use trunket, and then the result will be like this for trunket. You can use the other things to see. You can guys try it. You can try it to see the result, the different result from it. Okay, then just go run it. We'll run it. Let's run it, and then we can see the result. Okay, if you want to see the result, it'll be like this. Specified by space and the other things. Province there is Jakarta. So we can normal. So the lowest code is just to normalize this result. Let's run it. Yep, the result will be like this. Province there is Jakarta, Kabupaten Sleman, Aki, 34711, and the other things you can like see it like this. The other show. Image. Yep, you can see it. The nick, it was the same things from here, and then the name Rianto .sa, and then the other things, tempat kelahiran the tempat lahir, jenis kelamin, alamat, the address, gender. Okay, status, and then what does he works for. Yep, it's like this. I think that's all for this video. We can go on for next week or next thing. I think that's all. Sorry for bad words or bad things that I didn't know that you know. Yep, that's all. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.